Welcome back, y'all. I have no idea what we're doing or where we are at. Um, I never actually go watch the other videos before I record a new one, so I just be guessing. Um, I think we hosted a class, and then something happened with her daughter, with somebody that was in the class. I don't know, but we're gonna go in here and see what's going on. And I know we was working on uh, trying to get this aspiration done, y'all. We are so close. I'm waiting on a perfect oversized crop, I think. And I hope I get that soon. And I hope my game don't freeze. So I am in the midst of was in the midst of an update. So this might not be around the same time that this video comes out, but we just had the March 18th update that broke everybody's game. And I haven't been able to record videos ahead of time. So I'm like doing this like the day before. Hopefully I can get some recordings done this weekend in preparation for the next few weeks. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right, so we are back. Something popped up before we went. Lauren has entered the picky eater phase. I don't know what to tell her because we off grid. So either she eat or she don't. Let's find mom. I thought snow was on the ground last time. Well, we got that. That's on the ground. Let's not do that. Not do that. Thank you. Thank you. And we was having an issue. That's what it was. We was having an issue staying open. Like, what you still running for, girl? Oh, you know what? I don't need your son to do that. I need you to do that. You the one that did it. Not. I be trying to go to the festivals too. The Round of Fire Festival has started, getting the mood for campfire fun as the keeper of lore captivates the crowd. Chat with. Okay, I ain't never heard of that one, but okay. Yeah, so yeah, that happened. hmm Let's check on our crop. Where are you? Good, healthy, in season. Okay, I need urge to remain calm. That's funny. Might be so. That's what I'm waiting on. Where is it? Harvest a perfectly qualified crop. When that's gonna happen, I don't know. I don't know, but I need it to happen soon. Um, I love when my family get a help to my CCs because look, she is a bad girl. And look at him. Is he cuckoo? I don't know what he doing, but okay. Mm, she is becoming dangerous. Is she bloody? She's not bloody. She's supposed to be. I like we are not selling this stuff. How do you get people to buy this stuff? Like my stuff is has one day. I don't know what else I'm supposed to be doing. It is Sunday. Lord is asleep. I'm gonna make sure my children did their homework. Do extra credit. Did you finish this? Oh, you did. Okay, she did both of hers. Okay, Laura, we getting there. No, as your mom. Shit is already clean. Let's refill the scatter feed nearby. Did we collect eggs today? I feel like I don't have enough farm chores. Like maybe I need a horse or something. How can horses help me? Like what can I get? Oh my god, I have it in my inventory. Okay, I don't know what I can do with it. Ew, you can eat it? Ugh. That's nasty. Ugh. Ugh. Hmm. Ew, ew, ew. What is this in this plant? Right, this right here. What is it? I can't do anything to him. Okay. Hmm. What's Is that a rooster? Do I have any chickens? Like, mm, how do I see what I have? House of blood. Oh, maybe I gotta zoom out and tell me. One chick, two hens, three roosters. It's slightly dirty. Well, clean it. Clean coop. What's here? Okay. Ain't too much I can do, and it's just collect the biofuel. Yeah. Another rabbit hole. What do I need to be working on for my other part? No special age. I just collect the foliage. Okay. Legendary. Rick's maximum relationship with a cow, chicken, or llama. Receive 3 gifts from rabbits or birds. Win a competition and then for it on back laying fail. Okay. How do I receive gifts from a bird or a rabbit? I wonder if can I like get those while you socialize. If that's a rooster, is this a hen? That's a black rooster. That's a white rooster. Hmm. Okay. Chilled from due to the cold temperature. I mean, she is out here dark in hot clothes. So, I mean, I don't know. So, your son, what's wrong with him? Is he scared? Really? Your own mom? You scared of your own mom? Are you scared of her too? It's because she did that for you. Let me see how old they are. Some knowledge right here. Okay, so he's about to be a, what is that? Teen in how many days? 5. I don't think I'm gonna get done in 5 days. Mm-hmm. Hurry up, girl. Things is so fun. Okay. Oh, the chicken don't like me. Don't like me. Don't like me. When can I harvest? Like, does it tell you when you can harvest these? Hmm. I can't afford this. Laura's having a nightmare about buying insurance property. Girl. Hmm. Buying rooster. And now you're hungry. Girl, you better go in there and get you a snack. Get leftovers. Okay. Are people really scared of me? But you ran away and talking about you were scared. No, no, she. Lori, what you doing now? Go to bed. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Use the bathroom. Take a bath. Go to bed. She's scared. You need to use the bathroom. And it is now snowing again. I don't know. I need to, can I water this? Talk about stock market, that's fine. Can I fertilize it? Fertilize crop. Mm-hmm. Oh, I need to check on my bees. What was that? Look how just, why is you in my bathroom, sir? No matter what, I'm still your baby. Okay then. I, but you're not at school. Stand up for your friend. Okay. I guess in a few hours we're gonna try to make wine. I think I have all of these. Yeast, fruits. There's yeast, lettuce. Oh, the children just, I think there's a way you could see if, yes, I'm getting up there. I think I gotta have my gardening skill maxed out. Okay. My children just up like they ain't got school in a few hours. What can I cook? I need to wash dishes. What is that? Scrambled eggs and bacon again. I thought I went grocery shopping. Is all that stuff gone? I'm gonna make mac and cheese. Let's do mac and cheese. I'm gonna do one serving. Okay. And then you need to do laundry. So energetic. Looks like Asteria just befriended a high energy serum. High energy serums are often out in the world seeking adventure. I guess. Is it your daughter that's a high energy serum? If I were you, I would go to a different town because everybody hates you in here. That is no way to speak to your mother, ma'am. I'm not cooking you no food. Hmm. Whatever. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that how it is. Let's wash these clothes. I'm washing your clothes. I ain't got no food. Now you over here talking about that. I hope they don't freeze. It's really cold outside. It's freezing, and the clothes gonna probably freeze too. Is there not a clothesline I could put inside? Let's see. How many clotheslines do I have? Where are they? I know I got a clothesline. Okay, there's one there. Let me see. We need like a retractable clothesline we could put it on the inside. Clothes. Functional off the grid. I need something I can put inside though. I don't think it's gonna fit. It would have fit right there. I could put it over here in the kitchen. It's not gonna fit. Yeah, okay. They're just gonna have to go outside and be frozen. I don't know how else to prevent that from happening. Are they clean? Oh, didn't tell me if they were clean dryness. So okay. Okay. Hurry up, girl. Laura, you're gonna have to get up, girl. It's time for you to go to school. Mhm. Don't pee on yourself, girl. Hope they don't freeze. Go use the bathroom, girl. What is this mom? Why does the mom make it? Okay, what does he do though? Okay, bare essentials. Let's see if we can open the store. I don't want to go to the fitness first. Feed Barbara. Queen Barbara. Socialize with Barbara. What the hell would I tip Barbara? Team Garden. And then see if we can milk her too. Milk Barbara. Thank you, Barbara. Let's scatter feed for the chickens. Okay, do nothing for those. We are going to clean Llama Llama Red Pajama. And then we're going to feed Llama Llama Red Pajama. Alright. Speed up and get this done. Today the principal is visiting Laurent's class. Everyone is to be on the best behavior and not interrupt the lesson. Tell him with something. No, ask him to stop. We don't care. It's test day. Take deep breaths. What happened? That's right. Boy child. That's right. My children are okay. Are we buying though? She could host a class. When she gets done with all of that, let's start class on. Can we do something else? Start gardening. Okay. Start class on gardening. Okay. Thank you, maid. Butler, whoever you are. Marcus Flakes. Asteria, thank you for just not hanging out with Holly Alto. We have spectacular time. Okay, then. Okay, we have to go there in a little bit. Alright, thank you. Thank you. I got 2 people. Well, I started my garden from the ground up, and I am currently in the preparation of, trying to start selling from farm to table, because we all know that stuff at the grocery store is really, really high. So if you could buy from my store, okay, it doesn't help that these people are scared of me. They're like literally scared of her. I mean, that guy's paying attention, even though he looks cold. Y'all over there building. I'm gonna start charging people by the hour. Where you going? Some people not scared of me. But I'm gonna have to turn off reputation or something, because I need to make some money. Let's see, where is it? Neutral reputation. Let's get on there. Neutral. I just want to be neutral. I don't want to cheat into something that's good. Okay. I haven't been labeled anything. Come to my class. I'm up here teaching my heart out. And you should know that you can do anything if you try really, really hard. Really, really hard. Okay? Okay, y'all gonna have to go on then if y'all don't want to. Look at Crumple Bottom. Okay, I'm gonna have to sell this stuff off the table because nobody wants to buy it. Whatever I have left today, I'm gonna sell it and start over. I don't know what I'm gonna sell, but I'm gonna sell it and start over. Do gardening for 45 minutes. Okay. What else is you doing? Ask her about her hobbies and skills. Friendly introduction. Friendly introduction. Ask about her hobbies and skills. More choices. Where is it? Put my glasses on because I can't. Hobbies. There we go. Ask about hobbies and skills. How do I mentor her? Welcome to the business. Maybe I can mentor her like that. Activities. No. She just likes cooking. Okay. Try to console her. I don't know what's wrong with her. How do I mentor her? Ooh. Oh, she scared me. I was like, the hell? Small business. No, I want a relationship. Hmm. I don't. I don't know how to use her. I am gonna do my gardening. I don't think anything needs to be gardened. Fertilize all crops. Team garden. Okay. Thank you for talking with me. How do you mentor somebody? See, that's what I be talking about. It should be right there. Mm, reflects me to at the moment. I mean, I need to be able to do something. Can I research it? Does that count? Okay, that stuff counts. Any of this counts? Okay. I need to at least get the silver. Can I be friendly with some of these people? Friendly introduction. Friendly introduction. Go to business. It's still on friend. Okay. What a girl that I was always talking to her. What choices? I don't really know I don't know how to move on. In skill building activity or offer mentor on a skill building object, choose a team to mentor. But nobody's doing anything. She's not. So they have to be doing a skill. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I think you'd be paying some tips. But she's not. Oh my goodness. This is frustrating. Where's return home with the school project complete? She just did one. I can't be friendly with her. One more time, almost up though. I got silver. I guess not. How long has that business been open? 6 hours. That's good. Range earned good ministry. Okay, Lord. And she was scared of everybody. Who's that? Her? Okay. Thank you so much. You got to get up out of here, sir. Thank you. Okay, now come and buy stuff. Come and buy stuff. I need y'all to buy stuff. Attractors alert. Wow, what is in Asteria? We just stopped. Cow. Cow. Really? Cow. I mean, he ain't looking good. Why he got that green stuff on him? Why he had that green? And he looked mean. I don't know about that. Heck, the heck really is wondering if I want to go to his house and hang out. No, I don't. Girl, throw away. Pick up the trash can. We're gonna stay open for a little bit longer. Do your homework. You got school in the morning. And then that's gonna be it. I think this is gonna be a short episode because yeah. So let's close the store and then we are going to be done for today. We didn't get too much done today. But thank you for watching. Hopefully, something different happened. Hopefully we can get that plant harvested next episode. Okay. And maybe we'll go to an event or something. Probably a festival. Maybe we'll go to the fair whenever they're having a fair. Hopefully they have it. Let me check the calendar. When do they have the fair? On Saturdays, right? Cal Fair. Oh, I can't go to the Old Fair. What's this week? Garden Fair. No, this week is the chicken fair. Ooh, I might try the chicken and the cow. We'll see. Yeah. And it's about to be Christmas. Okay. We'll go to if I remember, we'll try to go to the chicken thing. We worked the full day. Yeah, and we brought in money. Money. Okay, so it costs $75 to open. We 6 people checked in and paid their $33. Yes. 3 people attended the class. That was $1,038. And then 2 people tipped me $6. So I made $1,167. Yes, putting in work gets results. And I got 58 points towards my business. We are close to the second star, which is Hopeful Hustle, I believe. I know, I'm at Hopeful Hustle. And then I think the next one is Renown. Yes. All right. Thank y'all for joining. See y'all next week. And remember, we probably gonna have no peace over here today. Hope you have a happy vibes equal happy life. I'll see y'all next week.